Welcome viewers to the 8th episode of Samaroh at the YouTube. Before starting the display, I just want to convey my love, my gratitude to all of you. The way you are loving my products and acknowledging my hard work and sincerity towards my work, it is overwhelming. It is encouraging me to going ahead and with more love, passion and dedication. Every day I am flooded with the message of good words. I don't know whether I am really good enough for these admirations or not, but it's my promise to my friends that I will try utmost to do justice to your trust and love. Please remain with me always. Let me start my display. Today I will show you the mostly mix and match type, means block print, hand paint with different kinds of handworks, means embroideries. Here it is red and black. Black is a blouse piece, one small border for it, and sari is red, block printed this border. And pallu has block print and cut work like this. Very different look, and I think it is nice. It is sari number 1. The price is 5250. The same type, another color, red and white. Here red is the blouse piece and throughout it is off-white. The previous one and this one both are Bishnupur silk. Red bordered white sari, very much Bengali type of sari it is, Bengali look, and again in the pallu this cut work. Same concept and material and the price as well, means 5250. Here it is on tussar, hand paint and cut work together. This is a blouse piece. Blouse piece is of red and some sequence has been used for the sleeves, and the sari is elephant grey, and in the border side there is floral hand paint, and these are cut works. These are cut works and some sequence, and this outline of ari has been done. This is a pallu. It is 5650. It is tussar. Next one is also tussar. Same deep slate color or grey. It is the kalamkari blouse piece. Single sided border it has. That is why the blouse piece has been given with prints. And this is the pallu. Pallu has the cut work. This one is the pallu. It is also 5650. In the same concept, if you can see, this one is also in the same concept. Only the cut work is different, the print is different, the material and concept is same, price is also same. It is 5650. Let me check. Yeah, 5650. It is again on silk. This is a blouse piece. It is Vishnupur silk. Beautiful print. It is a river, the water and the boats in the prints, and in the pallu there is, it is hand paint, the pallu. This is the boat. I don't know whether you can understand it or not, and on that the cut work has been done, and here all over these red things are highlighted ari work, highlighted with the ari work, and it is, the price is 5450. Now it is with patchwork and block print together on Vishnupur silk. This is for the blouse. Blouse has two motifs for the sleeves. This design I am doing 20 years. It was my first design and still I am doing it. People love it, that is why. This is the pallu with patchwork, and when you will wear like this, yeah, you can see. This, the upper portion has the color and the lower portion is off-white with patches. It is 5650. This is also the same concept, same, only the color and block is different. Again, two buttas for the sleeves. There it was, the upper portion was yellow, here it is red, and some difference in blocks are there. I think you can identify. Like this. The pallu is, arrangement of pallu is also different. Is sarees something or other will be different. No two sarees can be absolutely similar here. Though the price is same, 5650. And all sarees are silk marked. The contrast blouse. Two buttas for the sleeves. Here the whole sari is black, and it is double color actually, but I think it is mustard. One reddish, beautiful reddish tone is there. Yeah. Like this it will be. With a distance, there is the all over this patchwork is there, and it is the pallu. Price is same, 5650. Sari number 8. I don't mention all the sarees with number, as when you will see on the screen you can see the number and the price as well. This is the blouse piece of white, and that border, that is worked one, kachi work. It is a black, white and the touch of multicolors with those patches. Like this. This is a pallu. This is 5950. As the motifs or patches are bigger, it is more priced. Otherwise, the material and everything is same. Due to the embroideries, more embroideries, little bit price hike. This is a blouse piece. Again, that border has been given for the sleeves. Here it is off white and yellow and prints of black. Last time sorry, when I showed this kind of patchwork sarees, means so much demand was there, but I couldn't fulfill everybody's demand. So please select your sarees from these 4, 5, 6 numbers. It is also, I think, the same, yeah, 5950. If the patches are big, then it is 5950. Yellow and red, beautiful color. This is a blouse piece again. The combo is so nice. Yeah. Like this. This is a pallu. $5950. It is red and green. Wow. This is a blouse piece. That a small border has been given for the sleeves, or any way you want to put it. Yeah. Multicolored patches. Red saree with green border, pallu and blouse piece. 5950. It is saree number 12. Saree number 13. Very simple, but yet it is different. This is pink, for sleeves, blouse. Pink and orange has been combined. Very nice combination. In the light, I don't know whether you can understand the difference of the design or not, or color, difference of color or not, but till pleats it is pink, over that it is orange, and this is a pallu. Very simple but little different and very pocket friendly. 5650. only. Now it is this one. Yeah, it's a very nice sari. This is a blouse piece, 3-colored, which is popularly known as 3D silk, Bishnupur silk. This all are. Here something differently I have done it. Through the middle, this work has been done, this embroidery has been done. Like this. See the richness of the colors, and this is the pallu. See the pallu. How nice it is. The price is 7950. 7950. It is a parrot design. This is a blouse piece, a red blouse, and the sari is blue and multicolored. This embroideries. So bright sari, so bright colors, and as material is very good, all the colors, all the designs comes very nice, looks nice. It is also 7950, sari number 15. This is on Bangalore silk. This is for the blouse piece. It is half and half. It is the only sari of this today's show with only kantha, not mix and match. It is only kantha and multicolored. The front portion is multicolored like this, very rich, or maroon is the base. This is a sari. Price is 8550. It is very nice sari. Just check it, how nice. This is a blouse piece, the striped one that small temple for the sleeves. This it is block print and the embroideries together. This is for the pallu. All over this buttas of handwork of embroidery has come like this. In the bottom also there. The price is 6250. It is tussar. Rest of all the saris now on tussar. This is for the blouse. The block print and embroideries, kanthas are together. Alternatively red and black rounds, and with these are all handwork, all kantha. I think it is nice saree. Very simple, still something different. It is 6250, saree number 18. Here it is pink and black. This is a blouse piece with block prints. Till pleats this print is coming. After that, on this pink color, Rani pink, it is nice one. These motifs are hand work, means embroidered, and this is that is hand paint, the lotus, and over that the kantha stitch has been done very nicely. I think it is very nice piece, and blouse will be with that block print. It is 6450. 6450. This is the blouse piece. These all are for these tussars, all are good gachi tussar. Those who use silk and tussar, they know these terms. So that is why I am using peach color and red. Peach and red has been combined. This is a pallu with bigom. In the first or second episode, I had shown one of these sarees, so with a different color, and people liked it so much, and I think you will like this one also, though the color was different there. This is the blouse piece. Those are for the sleeves. Full sleeve will be worked fully. Here it is, no blocks has been used, but dye, the arrangements of dye is there, the color, pink and yellow, and over that blue, black, white work has been, the embroidery has been done like this. The Orli motifs, very intricately done it is. It is, I think, 8650. 8650. Beautiful sunflower, the last saree of today's. This is the blouse piece, blue blouse, and the material is superb. Till pleats, it is like this. Till pleats, this border with that flower will come. After the pleats, this small buttas, like this, off-white and golden yellow, and this is the pallu. The blue blouse, blue pallu, and on this black. Here it is 8950, and all sarees are silk marked. So all are unique piece. Please try to grab your piece, your saree, as early as possible and enjoy the days. See you after 7 days. Namaskar.